Hi guys, Phoebe here. Welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to PandJ Animal Adventures. Today, something exciting arrived. It is an animal. I want you to pause the video though and go and comment down below what animal you think it is before I open it. There's a few clues. This box is this big. It is multiple animals, and we have an enclosure set up for them behind me, right there. So without further ado, let's get to opening this. Hello! They're so tiny. If you guessed frogs, you are correct, and if you went the extra mile and guessed brown tree frogs, you are very correct. These are the little guys. They're very tiny because they have just morphed from their tadpole stage. And then we can put them in their enclosure. So I've just got the box kind of hanging out of it so that I can take it out. But here's a little frog right here, little froglet. I have wet my hands, so I'm not going to hurt them if I touch them. Hey buddy, do you want to go in your new home? Oh, there it goes. There's one of them. Aww. I might put these leaves in there since they have been on the leaves while they've been shipped overnight. The one just jumped onto the fake bonsai tree. That was so cute. Oh, and there it goes. I'm just kind of scattering these leaves around. Oh, look. Hi, buddy. Hello. What you doing? There you get a really good close-up of them. Sorry. These are real leaves though. Oh, there's another one. Hello. You can go over here. Oh, look. Tree frogs can stick to the glass. But they are also called whistling tree frogs because of the sound that they make. They are one of the, I think, 3 species of frogs that we can keep in New Zealand, which are all from Australia. The green bell frog, the golden bell frog, and the brown tree frog or whistling tree frog. Here you go. Oh, so cute. What about you? Amazing. And that is all of them. I think I will just double check in here. Is there any more? No, that is all of them. That is the 5 tree frogs that we have gotten. Where are you all hiding? Oh, there's one on the background right there. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Oh, and there's one right up the top there. Beautiful. So as you can tell, these frogs are very arboreal species. Some more fun facts about them is that they will grow up to about 50 millimeters in length at full grown, so they're not very big at all. Oh, you're right there. This one seems like a very active, very energetic little froglet. Oh look, there's one just resting in the little pond that we have for them, which is really just a large Exoterra water dish with some rocks in there so that they don't like drown in the water and they can just sit on the rock and soak up the water through their skin. And then they have a rock that they can get out from. They have a big log. Yeah. So yeah, they grow up to 50 millimeters in length at full grown. They are arboreal, so they don't need a lot of water. That is why we only have that bit of water, but we do mist down their enclosure every single day, and we have been doing that since we built the enclosure. The substrate that we have for them is just coconut coir and sphagnum moss, which is good because it holds moisture in for them as they need a high humidity, whereas this little munchkin, wherever she is, needs a lower humidity. They are native to Australia, but you can keep them as pets. They do not need UV supplementation, they just need a light cycle so that they know like when day is and when night is. In the wild, they are nocturnal. However, in captivity, they tend to actually be quite active during the day. They're just exploring their new home right now. I think they're really gonna like it. I'm very happy with this. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We got these frogs in the mail and they all arrived safely. They are enjoying their new home, hopping around, spending time bathing in the water, soaking up the water into their skin. And yeah, they're gonna have a very good life. The little froglets need food available all the time, so I am going to put some food right into their enclosure after finishing this video. And yeah. Don't forget to follow the PandJ Animals Instagram and TikTok accounts, and subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.